Some people, me not go talk too long. We have some things to get in and we are going to just jump right in at them. Seeing so Shelly and Coran, Danger and her sister, them go over Blinga, go chat up a bag of things. You know what I mean? And people, me not pick no side, but here we go on. Me I listen to what Danger say, and me not lie, me kinda woulda believe Spice more than Danger, although Spice never did it. You see me I say, but I want to hear what Danger say, and I want to tell me if me bias or what. So we are going to kick it off with Shelly and Coran, and then we go into the rest, because the rest utter.
Scamming business.
Okay, so she and Cher was friends, so that's good. Cher cover up for her. Then you want to tell me says Spice name a call for scamming?
When I ask you, may I tell you?
Jesus of Nazareth.
Is me and Scatter was down at halfway tree making a report, but at the time I share and everything else make me know. I share and that everything else make me know. Yeah, say as she did behind it, and then the video of she and the scammer come out, and then if you remember, when the video of she and a man she give I don't know what is the word, the nice word for sucking. What happened now is that she run and go put a tattoo on herself and say, I could not she. I don't know how people don't have these memories. Listen, she can't run a file on me. She can't run a file for me when me can't talk up for myself. Don't, all me I say is, don't add up. Do not fling any file what do not belong. The list is too much. I don't want no file what don't exist to me. May I come clear that. You see me? Oh, fillet show. So she go on like this and she go on like that. So if she didn't want go gutter, then we can go gutter. Me have her file. Everybody have her file. She just go on like you know, the Rasta man. The Rasta man see a dirty art, and that is the truth. The Rasta man don't want your dirty ways, because one night tell you say when your art not clean, you know, you can only fake it for so long. And that's all I will say. Any other Rasta ever come on my chair?
I don't think him gonna come in because some little thing did go down with the first girl. Right?
We come to start the things them. Come here, Nicki Minaj. Come here, Foxy Brown. Come here, ladies.
I'm sure Lady Saw sitting down right now, RT, waiting on you. All of us waiting.
Me say me come to start the things them. Come here, Nicki Minaj. Come here, Foxy Brown. Come here, ladies.
Then I don't understand how Spice, you have so much skeleton and you're running out on people. We understand that you put out the song and you want the song to sell, because this is what you do. You do shit and then you cry victim. We know this. Right? So now this was what you wanted, my love. I just gave you my number, 876-851-6598, Carbo. I just type it to you. I don't know if you didn't expect this. You can't come out and say you're going to style people and people not going to want to answer your back. Spice, you have to take some licks sometimes. Well, one more question, Shelly. Lady Saw says she's coming back. You think it's in the dance hall she coming?
I can't answer for Lady Saw. I cannot answer for Lady Saw. I just don't have any judgment. Okay. And she comes back to dance hall. It's her journey. It is her journey, and it's only her. It's only her can connect to the creator, to say when it's time or when it is not. It is nobody to say it. All I can tell you is that Queen Spice no said she was never going to be queen with Lady Saw being in dancehall.
That's the same thing I said too. So that's why she's like this. But you know something? I think Spice is a little troublemaker. So now she get a taste of her own medicine, because you coming out now and telling us all of this, I'm shocked. But do remember that these people gonna come for you, you know, Shells, because you hit a lot of people.
I don't hit anybody but Spice. So Spice can go and talk because the member said, huh?
You hit Dovey, you said she borrowed a sheet and she broke.
No, but there's more things I can talk on Dovey. I said Dovey, I heard somebody sent a live, but I don't even look at it. And they said Dovey said she's going to hit me down when she see me face to face. I only say, me not even want to call her, me just want to beg the people them for go over her page because she cannot find a song. She is not even, we're not even a talk about song. Our songs them of late can barely pass 1,000 views. Right now, Shelly, it much bigger than Dovey. So I say, Dovey, nobody run for the piece of clout. Me only I go accommodate Spice because Spice is in a different category. Remember, me bigger up. It's not like me say all bad. Me just say Spice. We know you. All I'm saying, you brought it here. Me never did I go tell people the reason why me and you stop link because you bring me into the scamming and you are a scammer. You are desperate for a Range Rover according to your then friend share with say it on IG.
Jesus.
So all I doing is speaking facts. I said I'm going to say it again. John Long over here, but the one person over Ward 21, yes. Me not have no reason. Me can't shame over who me take from who me not take. But just say please do not. It's like one time somebody did put on the Tufton over Chris Tufton when Chris Tufton did go over in a with the marriage problem and him did a cheat with a young girl. And me say people go and say him all F Shelly. And I have to clear that up too and say.
Alright people, so now here where Shelly Anna said, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section and make me know my people, right? If you feel like say boy, everybody a turn down on Spice, you know, because Spice go say what she say, or you feel like say at this Spice did want, like she want her name for call up, because Spice go over Blinga, you know people. Yeah man, Spice go over Blinga and RT kick her out of the box. You see me? So we are gonna get into that also. So we are gonna listen some more with Shelly Anna say, and then we are gonna get in at the danger and everybody else, cause bag of things go on with people. Remember me telling you, so make we hear what Shelly Anna say.
Do not put Tufton over here. It is too full of. Too full of. I don't need no extra.
You're not easy.
Who reaching at the tightness? Me I go say, yeah, them reach. You get me? Don't make no lies about it. Me never reach Tufton. And me and Tufton wife. Me just see her day before yesterday. I love that woman. I did have to come out and say, no. Tufton who don't belong to me. I don't play like that. You get what me I say? Me have mad respect for Lady Saw from them days till now. And me have mad respect for people like Tufton wife. So me did have to clear it and say, no, that don't belongs to me. It not depend on mileage, yeah. You get me? So me I tell you say, when you spill tea, you know, you have to be able to spill tea upon yourself. You get me? So if you ask me a question, me I go give you an answer. And
Shelly, God no. I like the fact that you came and cleared the air. It's just that me know what go come after, but you're back broad.
I told you, I don't beg friend, me not ask for not this, you never see me not even whatever. Thank you for all that. Me never even know what a donut is. Me see people that give me donut, me Auntie Shelly never really they over here and say, me have to do this, me have my show up on YouTube and I eat me a bill with myself. Who want to come and support my show, them come for my show. Who don't want to come, them don't come. I do not care. In this game that I am in called media, we do not really need friends. We have to be in a place where we swim by ourselves, we sleep by ourselves, we prepare to not go out and Sunfest don't bother me if me dead yes or no. I am in my own world. So true me not look no favors. Me just there to spill tea and bring awareness to the issues that is happening in Jamaica around the missing kids, the missing women, and domestic violence. If you look on Tea Time page, I have done my own PSA and spoke my truth and said, I have been a victim of domestic violence. It can reach any woman around the world, and we must bring our level to say to the men that this is not acceptable, right? So it's not like I am telling any lies. When you go to Tea Time, Shelly, and see the women and the things that I have covered. And trust me, Miss Blinga, the reason why I spill tea is to bring people in so I can give them the bitter medicine. Because the Cersei tea not taste good enough. When I do a show about missing women, that go about 5K. When we talk about cartel, can it lean left and it bend left, it that gone 50, 70, 100,000. So when I do, but I keep doing it. I don't do everything. I talk some mix up. Then the next episode, I sit down and talk about real things that affect Jamaica. It is there. Don't delete no video.
True, I see you do that for real. And you highlight the missing people them. I see you do that. Well, people, what a show. Auntie Shelly, we not hold you up, but though we have big song.
Alright, my people. So right here, so me go end the party, and then we are gonna go over here now to Blinga. You know what I mean? Every mix up and passa we are going with Spice, you know, as me tell you people, Spice join Blinga live and RT Boss, and the whole of them with the dip on it turn down pan Spice I feel lift up my people. So make we get in it, you know.
You understand? Them instigate things. But you see true we not have it. And we are this and we are that. And we are liar and we are this and we can't do that. And we can't do everything because I only have the power because I only have the money.
1 million likes, people. Everybody tap up the screen. I need 4,000.
I only have the power because I only have the money.
Everybody send donuts.
And when we talk, we are wicked and we are evil for because we want to look, we are look at hyper for Spice and we bad mind. Nobody no bad mind like
so the best of them say and they never did a bone candle and a kill goat. I never take me part and them a go on like they did a kill goat.
That's what I'm saying. If you come out and say certain things, then RTU, which everybody a come talk the inside, what them play, which role them play around her, who they were to her and what they usually do or whatever. And yet still when we talk for the truth, we are wicked and we are liar and everybody want cordon Spice and this and that. So how comes she true for them but we are liar?
People, support the live goal. I need 3,000 people to send donut now. And I need you guys to put money in the Cash App, Zelle, and the PayPal over there. Remember, I'm looking 13,000. Don't bother with it. Click on the left-hand corner of your screen. You see my payment method. Please to send money now. Thank you. So Tallup, why?
You call Danger?
Where's she there?
Call her for your next phone. Me did text her say.
Maybe she
Yeah,
can't
come.
send me.
No, she did I'm probably that too, so tell her if she come. She did a
Alright.
charge her phone.
No,
Yes, at the end of the day, that I just see me like 2 cents and peace. When me have to say, oh, me reaching at this and me not go come out. So anybody don't want to see me, me sorry for you know, because me not come out tight. Yeah. So the hype of it all are within. And the whole of we look hype and I look something.
Danger, where you there? I'm over TikTok. All right, come over TikTok and type in RT Boss and click on his name. You will see us live because I hear that my live is not showing up. All right, come now.
Nobody no blood clot business about charting. Nobody care about charting. Nobody now chart nowadays. So on the stay they make buy views, chicken and chart, chicken and all these things where them have to pay for make things look like them are going. The whole of they are hungry and sufferation and kill blood clot we. Nobody now chart. Nobody now chart. Yeah, come talk about charting. Me not care about chart. That not have nothing to do with me. One thing, you know, you can't take my talent from me, you know, and you cannot deny me neither, you know. Say for chart, you know, wait pan, or views for show somebody, whatever respect you want to show them.
Tallup, what them need to do is make Spice go put her chat. Because every day she have sang on the chat, although she can't find a man. Make sure go put her on the chat and stop blood clot. Best thing that you know go do, put her push chat, make sure find a man.
Danger, send a request if you are here.
Nobody no want Spice push her to the one that.
Jesus.
Because you have a problem. You have a whole problem and a mouth problem. Nobody no stay with you and nobody no want you. Every day you talk about your gum and sing you not no gum. And your gun. You not have no gum. You not have no gum left. Every man come around here, you're insecure. Every man come around here insecure because no man no want you. No man no want to stay with you. Despite remember your mouth stink. And you eat wriggles right through. Because you know your mouth stink and I smell your mouth.
You know my people, them a deal with Spice bad, I not lie. And people, danger go come and talk, you know. And also, down the pan fear life and she attack some things with fear people them because the people them pan down life, them attack like them not in a way danger say, but them in a way Spice I say. So I go hear that too. You know what I mean? Cause I go over that the live there and I come back over this alive. So you know what I mean? I go hear everything. So make we get back into it.
Your whole thing too. Me not have a whole problem. So every day you come text it for me and I come talk about favor man and man this. No man not have a problem with me. No man not have a problem with me. Any man me take, if me call them back right now and say reach at 2 pint, them a reach at my foot. Me not have a man problem and me not take as much man with Spice taking a fear career because she love one like she a virgin. And she for young days and end up at her old days. Yes, so no flap don't pan nobody more than she because she a go like she never for herself in her music. Before she know it, during she know it, and after she blood clot know it. Who take people man like you, lady? Who like you? You don't innocent.
Guys, share this live to Danger for me, please. Hold on there. Danger dep on TikTok, but guys, share this live to Danger for me. It's Queen Danger. Wanna share the live?
If you see you make enough, you could even answer when enough you come out contact, come out you fuck your dad.
People, share the live to Danger for me, please.
Me never want class a girl, you know, but you come and talk about our brother. Yes, our blood clot brother, your foot. You don't know. I remember you're a sad lie. No, nothing to say about me. Because me sure know me never rub no crutches with nobody for me born. You know, say if you don't have certain things to tell me, you would have tell me. What you gonna say? One thing me see the whole and want to know about. Let me tell you, because the whole and talk about what my baby father, who my baby father. Me know my baby father and who not go blood clot know him. And me not tell you who breed myself. And that you know know and that I kill you know.
Tallup, share the life to Danger, Tallup. RT, she named Queen Danger and I can't find her.
Share it to her. Me share it.
Danger, send a request.
Spice, your black dirty. You go for love and hip hop and everybody see your dirty ways them. Nobody no grudge you. Your heart dirty at talk about the woman at talk, a prejudice and at talk about whatever you come a style people. So when you come a talk about me and man and me and this, no prejudice, your prejudice, eh? No style your style me to move your black and dirty. Me love black people, you know. But you're black and you're dirty and you're black dirty because your heart no good. And guess what no? When me see Thanksgiving, you make me no want yam turkey. Move your blood clot. You favor the turkey. Roast turkey by Louise Bennett. And me leg on me mouth pa you. Danger reach.
Where she there? Me can't something not right with the live, yeah. I'm here. Okay, she said I'm here. All right, Danger. So send a request. All right, here I am.
Right. Roast turkey by Louise Bennett.
Danger girl.
What can go so for true?
I don't know. So Tallup, you done or you go on pause? What you do?
Me a pause, make Danger contact our story and
All right. Danger. You can't hear me?
Bluetooth.
Let me mute this.
No, I think she's supposed to can't hear me. Ah, Jesus, where's she there? Jesus. Send back your request, goodie. People on TikTok, let me tell you something. You see the live goal, they was set 4,000 donuts up there, so me I go want to know if support the live goal, because we can't do that free dry throat reasoning business, yeah. And you see the payment method over there, so you send everything you want to have in there, please and thanks, and then stress out a morning. Because a Father's Day, I'm supposed to have something down there, so we do it. I don't know where Danger gone now.
Bring on.
Spice, but
Alright, so my people, alright, just so me I end the party for now. Me I go come back, you know. Easy, me can remember me go over there and I come back over Blinga. And me still have Spice. Remember Spice join Blinga live, you know. See, so here we go on. We go here with Dan people, them officer, and then we go come back over here, so. See?
man, me never know say dancing for one person. If that was the case, nobody would be on their head top of spinning a dance hall right now.
Listen, she don't know when Diamond Isla and the whole of them people they go up on the head top with mic and phone.
Listen. This is Danger man, Spice man. Say Spice man, yo. I had a turn in my oh, so Spice man they fit all long. This way. You must tell me that now.
Hey guys, you better use allergy, yeah?
I see them he flag the live.
Not only flag the live, nobody have proof that he done it. So I say allegedly.
If she done it, she would have reported it. And she take away people man.
But however, she came back to Jamaica. Jamaica, if something happened overseas, does Jamaica has the jurisdiction even she reported to prosecute? It doesn't.
But if she report it overseas, she
no, but if it happened overseas, they report it over there because the truth is them take them something serious over there.
And then Jamaica would definitely need a report from them that you say you reported over there. Because does Jamaica has the jurisdiction to prosecute and matters that
but actually, you know, Spice do it with herself. With Spice now have a manager, you know. And she alone, you know. That's why they hate the lady.
No, Spice boyfriend was the manager at the time.
Oh.
Yes,
he was the manager.
Have you ever feared anything?
She not no manager now. She not no manager now. She want.
Listen, fear will make people sit down in a whole heap of situation for a long period of time. I am not saying no.
But she never call nobody DNA to come for night still.
But miss, if you have ever been assaulted before in your life, if you ever get SA before in your life, you're not sit down comfortable in a room with nobody will do that to you. You're not laugh, you're not eat, you're not see them table, not evil bunks, you know.
Bro,
not evil bunks, you know.
Your Spice say she laugh up in her man, she the same way.
Here, and I
Yeah,
know
together,
this because
honey.
me lived this before.
Mm-hmm.
You know what me a talk about. When man talk to you, you're afraid. Man touch you, you run like you're an idiot. Right? And everybody experience is not going to be the same, but
I
one thing
understand. I
with
see.
sexually
And that's why
assaulted victim is them have one thing in
I
common.
tell you
They
about
keep themselves reserved for a period of
people.
time.
You're pretty
The
done
girl
now.
knows saying do him man something.
When she get the man so knows that the one danger give Spice baby father some front. Me say. When she get the man so front, him and the boy they are beat right out. When Grace find out the girl say, I take it dog, take it.
Run, go and find the dolly for your friend. She need to report her case and open up the file.
Bring you to the world danger. Eh? And all you could have do go there with the girl money is a woman. Me say a while ago, me see Grace over there, and then you come out in a media, karma, and you karma take right here now. That's why your career never reached no further than where blood clot did there. Because you go against the woman and they like, look out for your anger, you couldn't hold on your wall. You pussy in a life, yeah. So, I don't know. Me say me a put in a book tomorrow in a danger. Why me a put in a book? Me a go in the group with Grace first and hear what go on in there. So tell me go in there, me hear what go on. Me blood clot. People, me a tell you every bumbo clot thing. You don't know me no hold on nothing. A pretty smile.
That's awesome.
And to hate somebody, because even if she do the song, I want not in agreement with the song, and you come out and highlight yourself in the car, she never highlight you.
You never
But if you
highlight
say,
her for
I'm
true.
going to read somebody, that simply means, say,
Renee, when asked
they do
Blinga
you
when
something.
she's going to add police to the courthouse, she's adding danger and everybody. Ask her that when it is that she's going to add and find the file of police.
Let's start the topic there alone for today.
They not come outside, stop it. Why? But me I tell you, all them a cuss Spice till she live her life. See, we are not drink and eat. In the size that one.
Spice make on me right now, Dan. So we have to find somebody in my league.
You know how much money for book Spice one show, you know what show Spice book for. Then can't watch Spice.
You know your king in TikTok boss that's $700 for one show of Europe. We don't know who
Spice money are more than that, man.
So who would you leave
we don't want to know who that really believe that. And some of my people them believe, you know.
I'm more than that, because when Swiss feel them say they don't want book Spice, Br3Aking say too dear, can't do it.
Okay, but him a tell TikTok people them say $700, so the people them
TikTok
believe
police
it.
no, and I $700 Spice pay one night
people
dance to them.
here,
So over
them a
$700
book them
Spice
too
make.
much money, plus they have to pay for
If
them
Spice pay
hotel,
one night
pay
dance
for
to them
them flight.
$700. Over $700 she make. Tell me now.
I can't believe that the girl's sister come out and say them not get no highlight for indicator.
I'd like to share a very important message with you all.
People were talking and they just fall through and I see woman are
No, but you know, say, oh, you go talk something like that when if you type in indicator turn up on YouTube or Danger, you see Danger and Spice I go everywhere. Danger teach classes right up until
Surgeons, doctors, nurses in the
when she, right, you see after she left out of the group, you see she did have one something say she go on indicator tour.
Him say $700 and the people them believe. You never hear my talk on the live to them. And everybody in that box believe.
I mean, tell us here when Spice are fling out the receipt, then with
You follow
TC
social
and
media people, man, you got
when
hell.
Spice are fling out, because TC they may not say Spice not pay them nothing, but when Spice not fling out
But
the
I don't know
receipt,
we don't
them
want to give dance to them 1.
yeah, $700 one. Some of they get you know how much money that. They thought they're nice right now. They not tell you know how much money woman have.
Me hear
bank
them
account.
say when them a work for Spice at $2,000 a night, them a work. But may I say if you choose to do your work and are your work this, right? Are you negotiate your price? So why would you want to work for that?
Ask them how much Ramesh
But
pay them, and you will know
listen
how
now.
much Ramesh
Listen
pay.
now when they say Spice pay them that, you know, see Spice come fling out in receipt pan pretty them. What they are?
Nobody
Spice them
can
now
tell you.
what?
Me say me follow up this a situation. Yeah, one time I think me I did part of Team
You
Spice.
see that the woman
The
they
girl
ever
then
have
get
in
them
receipt them, you know, say they tell you
bonus.
say woman pay that, you woman no one pay them.
The
Ever have in
woman
receipt.
pay them. She have a receipt when she pay them. When they get them bonus, and me tell her say last Christmas video with Danger in the whole of them get matching purse for the Christmas with them bonus in there. And then do one video where, cause me no know who did that come out. Me no know who come out say Spice no pay them dance, and the whole of them do video and run
No,
out and
no
say,
ask you one question.
see
May
them
I ask
bonus
you one
and see them
question?
boss yeah pay them.
My thing
No
is, you
ask
know,
you one
Don, you know
Remember
question.
the
what
So what
video?
they
happened,
have in
Don?
Spice?
You know
So what
what
they have in
happened,
Spice when
Don?
have
The money
Golden
done
the
to change, and
challenge?
she didn't invest the
Eh?
money, and the other
So what they
three
have in
dancers are
Spice when have
doing well.
Golden the challenge $1 million. So the engineer in a challenge.
Yes, she came second.
And she see when I come down you man. Boy, you see when I fool you.
She
But
come
Don,
second.
when the money finishes it down, and they didn't
Yeah,
invest their
that's true.
money in
That's true.
anything, and the others are doing well, and she's not getting enough bookings like the others, and she thinks she's
Why?
better than the others.
Who
But
rebel? You see rebel and pretty them have a sense. They have a body. But Danger now no sense.
none
It's
of
not
them have no
even
sense.
about
None
body
of them
or
have no
sense,
sense.
cause she have sense. Me not go there over here and say she not have no sense, cause she go
That's
good
true.
school.
That's
And
true.
as bad as then thought, then go college. Cause
That's
Danger
true.
went to something there, Mobe High School for girls before
Good
she get
school.
pregnant with her daughter.
But
Good
not so
school
much
time.
use humans and get now one day.
And the sister went to Herbert Martin Technical.
Good
Then
school.
get scholarship for go GC Foster
But
Garrod.
then you say, you see one them a chat them, you see one them in gone back to. I dance say them a throw out pencil. But if you know still.
The only thing
Correct.
people over here so I do is speculate. Cause really and truly we don't know who Spice attack.
That's true. That's true still. But Spice, you can't basic group, so you really information them soon leak.
Now wait for no information.
Spice not address them in a Spice just talk. So that you
Exactly,
understand.
and when she talk, you done right there, so.
Don't have this picture. Blinga doesn't know for man. Blinga don't know art
So
one.
Blinga need to bring the
Art
case
you
of
want
police
back.
where
Alright, some people want to tell me what they think about what them just say a while ago, because it looked to me like say she and the man in a things, and because the man go say, you know what I mean, wagwan, she come and say that. You see me I say? So we are gonna go over to Blinga now and hear where Danger say, because here wagwan me people, Danger attack wagwan and people. Me nah say me I take from what she has say still, you know, and I say Ray, you know, but in my opinion, it no look like say the man Ray, you know what I mean? It look like say she Ray. So make we hear what she has say. I want to tell me what you think in the comment in the people.
Things start talk, then she and other dancer them, and then everything get drawn in. I may get upset over the fact that the man a walk a talk about and a big up inches and a both. Then a big up, you want know nobody. And even if me did want none of him, the man them feel that be the last, can nothing about him not ready. He better you say, he better me da look after the England one, kind of look nice and clean and better. Me still never look this so. So him a walk, but yeah, man, who is you? Who is him? Him a not nobody. He mean to himself. So I don't want to take up myself and go lie down with your brother. The rest man are easy.
All right. So what happened, Danger, and why did he chose you out of all of the female them? Where did I dance? They do this too.
Me no know what happened, but at the end of the day, we try with the pan tour, right? And after a while now, every minute them a argument. If me can go so long without Harry and me must go. I don't know what fly up in the man. I don't know what fly up in the man. Me dey about my business done in my room. After we done make the song, him go on the road. Me only hear somebody come in. So my friend now coming and expect member hotel door, the door can't just pull so. And when me see him and the Roman film approach, and me I wonder what the blood clot this for me. Even after everything said and done, he come like me literally in a shock. Cause me not expect that none at all.
So him have keys for your place?
No, him not have no key. I'm the road manager, so him did in charge of a check in when we go nowhere. So him go to the people them at the front desk and tell them say the key for my room door, which whatever number it was at the time, lost. So him get a replacement from them.
Mighty God. Okay, continue.
Yeah. So after all is said and done now and that happened, it's like me say it to somebody. Me cry and me say it to somebody and me I say, cause honestly me feel like me should have fight back more, but me don't know what happened and me cannot explain it and me not go try to explain it cause it done gone and it happened how it happened. Me never call him and me never invite him. Me never did that. Me never entertain him in a no farm away. Me just stay in my lane and them always a put internet and I try push the white man for me. So JP, whatever and I try to instigate some little things but them a do it in a joke. You see me, we always just overlook that time. I not look on that. Because me not come about work, me go about so all this for it.
But you never scream and them something that danger. Nobody not do
No, me not scream. Me feel like me there go scream, but me not know what fit do because I any idea. Remember me I work for them, people, you know. Me I work for them. You understand? So me I pray say, alright, if me chance have a lot to do with it, and then the man I go say, it don't make no sense me say nothing to Spice because she not go believe me and him and baby father and he know. Him know how to manipulate her and get under fair skin. And not today or yesterday then there are years. So them know for them thing. When the man a tell me that and then me know how she stay for true. Especially when we just go around her. She did more edgy than after a while we so keen and we get good. You see me?
Okay. So him get a no disrespect or anything. So that means there's a back as him get. So after I'm done, after
no, me not laugh.
No, that's how me stay danger. You have to stay with me. So it's a back as the boy get. So after I'm done, what him do? Him just walk around normal like everything alright every day and everything. And what you do? You never feel
yeah, I never alright. As me say, we did have like couple days off and a 2 show did left. So yeah, and go back up and I go on like everything alright and I text me and then something then I talk about me if you make sure me delete it because Spice we search. Remember I know bear in mind me afraid that me I wonder say what. Me know him man and how him meditate and how him move. Cause him I say when the white woman at the pool side when we go hedonism because him and Spice have arguments so he go do that for spite. I saw him program. Him love to do some little fuckery for spite the woman was when they have the argument. And he video it and show Stacey because she knows Stacey expression. Did I go say it back to Spice. So after I'm show her now and then turn over and I want me to say wait there. I want me reach again. Wait, when me reach.
Alright. Them do some little something to them one another because the two of them the long time and whatever.
Yeah.
Alright, my people, so we are going to go over to the part where Spice go up on the live and RT boss them. These are wicked. You see me, because nobody on the live and Spice no good enough. You see me, I say, and people, me did stop it right there, so because what she says still, you know what I mean? Me no want so no type of way still, you know, but tell me what you think in the comment section because people, if somebody do that, you know what I mean? If I me would have to carry go the farthest. You see me I say? Me would have to carry go the farthest. Me not lie. So here we go on now. We are going to hear where Spice come on because people here we go on. You see when, you know what, I could just go in it.
Bring down your blood clot. Our time, suck your man.
We not like you, you're wicked. No come over here on a life to justify.
Over your life. I don't want a friend for your Spice. Dead bitch.
When Danger go up on her live and said, and Danger tell her if you add her, make she talk, she know what. Yes, me tell her if you add me, she never add me.
Maybe she never ready because
add her and she know what go on the live. But suck your mother lady, nobody know why you over here, no can't explain nothing to nobody over here. Go suck out your mama, roast turkey by Louise Bennett. Don't come over here to come talk, not because nobody know what hear where your officer stay for your life. You're a wicked liar, girl. You're condemned.
Bad now why over here, suck your mother.
We don't like you.
He only go on like him do good and do. He not talking bad when do. I want wicked dirty girl and have wicked ways and he no want.
You can't tell me, listen, me not give a spice, but I spice up a pay spice go suck out her mama and her pitney them and everybody and her body man pitney where man and she not talk about that. Grace go suck your mama. Me glad with this you nasty bitch. I feel power up. Me could have take up your blood clot. I wish if I could take you off of the throne, so I feel power up your bitch. Boy, you run, come look at hype. Go suck your mother. My world is. Stay beneath me, bitch.
Yeah, man, come on, fangwe, man.
You must be embarrassed. Move your blood clots.
Where you run a come for fita? Nobody no want hear where you say cause you're wicked.
But I be like you ready for content. No, you should have left him make him talk.
If I nothing from the dirty word, take the beating. Suck your mother, Gracie.
No, you're not fan him for true. Make him stay upon his life, Janai, and talk. And when you go over there, and you tell her if you add you, she never want add you. Why you never she never add you?
Gracie, if you stay there, so go click live and go suck out her mama. She not coming and not wrong with me in her. Gracie, you me feel my hype, go suck your mother, go grung your own food. You not come now when me dead dog shit. Go ahead. Move your blood clot and move and go ahead. And suck out your bestie.
You want class everybody and bring down everybody and know and everybody feel free that you nobody
broke she blood clot broke now and she not say nothing. That is why she run come over here. Gracie go suck out your mama. We not getting a hype. Go take the one hit and go ahead. Take the one hit. Move your blood clot but you want come up. But when since she want come up here the Obia man. Move your blood
when
clot.
since she want come for life to chew us.
Because shoot attack a certain time, but don't it JP but me thump done man to blood clot like but me thump done man
over your attack then shoot your
run. Me not hear the rest of things them what she said and me never done it live.
No, Bling, God,
live, brother. Me not like when people so
the table turn. Me I run it now, you look at ice. Gracie go suck out Gracie.
Danger, but you're not talk the things them where she say about Shensi and how much wickedness them where she do where you see and where you hear. And them the things they have to come out come tell people.
Everything one time. He never want help Shensi. When he
work so hard and scam for his she want coming out with glory.
She lie.
Hold on there, Tallup. Breaking news. Let me tell you, let me go and recap. Breaking news. Big just sent our live request to Blinga a while ago. RT have the authority to move her nasty blood clot because she not get the blood off of me. So me chew off her blood clot. Too she won't look relevancy. Big spice, join the line, bitch. Over here, so you is nobody. Fuck, you're not queen over here, so come down in a comment and suck your mother. Make we empty your blood clot.
God know we can't bother.
Me know her like a book or two. She knows that she fit. You know what problem? Shelly MTR. Tallup MTR. We are MTR. So she a run come now.
She cook on the media, but she cannot trick me. Remember, so me literally live with you, live around you. Me know you still.
Alright, people. You are going with that. Me never catch the part with Spice. As me figure capture it, so Spice jump off of the live. Cause it's like RT boss never depend the live, but him come on when Spice come on the live and start this her up and run her for the live, and the rest of people them would upon the live and you know said them worse no good with Spice, so everybody just turn on him and Spice jump off of the live. You see me I say? So make you watch some more people and hear what them say about Spice.
Yeah. Me know all she say.
Bling, may I give her $5,000 I feel good.
And me forget the $5,000 because you just mash up my business because listen.
You better give the answer.
Come give me. Me tell me I beg for the lady from water to talk to Danger because what me I say?
No,
you understand?
Bling, don't make me go down Manuel.
You can't get up the Manuel word because you're not what me I say.
Me don't want to spice up your clothes, your blood clot, because Spice go suck her mother.
You look sucking clothes for Spice. How me look clothes for Spice?
So where you talk about the big blue old girl for?
Okay, how me look clothes for Spice? Tell me.
Well, me know when
Spice, I want
to jumpy when she come over here a while ago.
I am not jumpy.
That is why I wrote, you're too jumpy. Spice is nobody. We not bring back the head.
What are you calling jumpy? Me I talk to the girl. The girl up. Okay.
Spice is nobody for you to talk to. Bling was Spice if you talk to the girl. Spice ain't nobody. That bitch will stay irrelevant. Thank God for the no, Spice go suck your mother. Me eat it heavily. But glad you're running.
I was my friend. Go suck on a mother big stinking come from a blood clot live. This a we every day. This we do.
I told you like cause sometime, you know, we have to get well dark because
always
like when they lift me out and
girlfriend. The fuck girlfriend up.
But she talk about shit yet. Me no fast first. Could you hate yourself first? You can't go love me if you don't love yourself.
Put in the comment section. No. I always talk about girlfriend. Me always have a different opinion from them more time. We argue about it and go back again. What the fuck talk about friend?
Spice not make no sense in a dance and no one should not come back up. I don't know where she run come a while ago. People if you just know what I go, I'm tell you what I go. Spice run come here to do what man. I run come up, me talk, go stuff out your mama, me take her down. Me not know where with Gracie a old dog, a hype she look. But girl, I tell her I go stuff her.
That's if you tell me see you now and then over there, me understand.
You know why me know, me tell you why me don't add her. You see through up your beat and nasty blood clot for morning.
Yeah.
And to realize say it a sting her.
You come well charged now, can I walk on let him out.
You have to put me RT, this is what me and you always have problem. Before we go live, you have to tell me certain things where you're not rated. If you tell me now, say you know one time up here, now you know why you're not for day up here. Me understand. That's it.
But listen, me not have to tell you that this is our world, for you know said that.
No, but you know some add everybody. What are you saying?
Yeah, but in this situation, we don't want Spice come here. And that is where me blood clot say, else me send her back in the blood clot there. She not get no relationship.
Right, me understand.
Spice go suck your mother, bro.
Alright, me understand, whatever. So Danger, listen, what me I say? Back to the show. Lord Jesus.
I go like Spice and the body, but glad the bitch come here, I'm speaking.
Lord Jesus.
Spice,
so the people, the boss no one the pan alive with Spice. Okay, that's what that is. No, Danger, back to what we are saying. Me no know. Me glad say you get closure. Me never remember.
The girl are wicked. Which spoil which was Spice a whore, Spice a bitch, Spice a dog shit. I mean, about spoil fun. Which one there? The blood. Look what over me I work for your blood clot and she a run come and look hype up and me Spice go suck your dog where you did give me and me kill it.
You know what I'm laughing for? No, but me have to laugh. God know what me I go do. Alright, for sure you. The man the runner walk up your fear long and me no know him. What that for sure you that no safe?
She feel come a while ago feel like me I go feel good. Oh, she feel like God I go come. She feel like me I go feel good a while ago. No bitch, me hate you, me sorry me never you say you dead. You feel like me feel good a while ago when you run come up here, come talk about. Make me talk, bitch. You trigger me anxiety, bitch. I ain't want to see you. You come boy like them who want welcome you like friends. Me don't want you around me.
Oh God. But remember say RT say him tell her say no will get no visa. Remember me still don't have a US visa cause every time I ask her she put me off and she put me off and she put me off. So what me no know.
Alright, me could go back in a one different element now.
Alright, so my people, alright, yes, I'm in the live. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Only tell me what you feel about what Danger say because people me don't know what to say about all of this, you see me, but some me kinda feel, you know what I mean? But only let me know what you think in the comment section, people.